Happy quarantine birthday. Staying at home but having a blast on your quarantine birthday. Rocking that party hat and your homemade mask. Trendy cut, happy butt, 6 feet of room. Sanitized hands and a party on Zoom.
Can you hear me? You need to unmute. Unmute!
Have a super great birthday. All your friends wish they could be near, but your quarantine birthday means you get to have another birthday next year.
Finally, the day has arrived. Bhumika, wishing you very happy birthday. The only thing I always tell on your birthday is stay happy. And from my side, thank you so much for always supporting me and always standing by my decisions. And I love you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you for the amazing things that you've given me. Two best kids that I can have in the whole world. Thank you so much. And this is your favorite song. I'm gonna sing it for you, and that will sort of sum up the whole thing. दहलीज़ पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे हैं तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम. ना सीखा मैंने जीना, जीना कैसे जीना, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना तेरे बिन. ना सीखा मैंने जीना, जीना कैसे जीना, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम. Right, now it's time for my favorite one, and here it goes. हम जिएंगे और मरेंगे ऐ सनम तेरे लिए, दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ सनम तेरे लिए. Bunnu, happy birthday once again. Thank you so much. Take care, have a lovely year, and stay happy always. And I try my best for that. Thank you so much. Bye.
પ્રેમાળ ભૂમિકા, આજના તારા જન્મદિવસની અમારા તરફથી ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છાઓ તથા અંતરના આશીર્વાદ. લગ્ન પછી અમારા કુટુંબમાં આવીને તે કાલુને દરેક કાર્યમાં દરેક પ્રકારનો સહકાર આપેલો છે. જોબની સાથે તે બાળકોનો સરસ ઉછેર કરેલો છે અને મને તો ગરમ ગરમ જમવાનું જમાડીને અમારી ખૂબ જ સેવા તથા કાળજી રાખેલી છે. અને લંડનમાં તમે લોકો સરસ રીતે સેટ થઈ ગયા છો અને કાયમ માટે તમે સુખી રહો, નિરોગી રહો, તંદુરસ્ત રહો તેવી ઈશ્વરને અંતર.
Hi Bhumika, happy birthday beta. Many happy returns of the day. Lots of love and blessings. આજે તારો જન્મદિવસ છે. જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છાઓ. ભગવાન તને ખૂબ સરસ આયુષ્ય આપે, ખૂબ સરસ સ્વાસ્થ્ય આપે એવી મારી પ્રભુને પ્રાર્થના. તારો સ્વભાવ જ ખૂબ સુંદર છે. તું ખૂબ કેરિંગ નેચરની છે, તો તું બધાની કાળજી રાખે છે. તો તારી કાળજી પણ સરસ રાખજે. ખૂબ આનંદથી રહેજે અને સંપીને બધા રહેજે, બધા સાથે રહેજો એવી મારી ખૂબ ઈચ્છા છે. હેપી બર્થડે વન્સ અગેન બેટા.
ભૂ એટલે બીજાને, અરે ભૂલોને ભૂલનારી બીજાની. મી એટલે મિતભાષી અને કાય એટલે કયાગરી મમ્મી પપ્પાની. એવી લાડકી દીકરી એટલે ભૂમિકા.
ઉરેવારુકમેવ વંદના મૃત્યુર્મોક્ષીયમામૃતા. ઓમ ત્ર્યંબકમ યજામહે સુગંધિમ પુષ્ટિવર્ધનમ.
હાલો ભૂમિકા, જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ બેટા. મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. દીકરી મારી લાડકવાઈ દેવની દીધેલ છે. એ દીકરી મારી લાડકવાઈ દેવની દીધેલ છે. વર્લ્ડની બેસ્ટ બધાને આવી દીકરી મળે એ જ મમ્મીના આશીર્વાદ. આયુષ્માન, કીર્તિવાન, ધનવાન બધા સાથે તું જેવી રીતે રહે છે ને બેટા, હળી મળીને બી જ રહેજે અને ફેમિલીનું ધ્યાન રાખજે. ભગવાન તારું સ્વાસ્થ્ય સારું રાખે. એ જ મમ્મીના આશીર્વાદ.
Hello Bhumika, many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day. Enjoy everybody. Your happy birthday. Once again, happy birthday to Bhumika.
Bhumika, happy birthday. Best wishes on this auspicious day. અને આવો ને આવો તમારો પ્રોગ્રેસ ચાલતો રહે, બસ એ જ ઈચ્છા સાથે. હેપી બર્થડે ફરીથી.
Hello Bhumika.
Happy birthday Bhumika. Many happy returns of the day. Our friendship grows yet stays the same. I'm thankful to God that you are my sister-in-law. Have a great year ahead with full of blessings. Love you Booms.
Hi Bhumika, how are you? Hope you are enjoying your day. Happy birthday and wishing you a very happy birthday. બસ આ ન્યૂ યરમાં હું તારા માટે એટલું જ વિશ કરીશ કે તારા જે હોપ્સ હોય, તારા જે વિશીસ હોય, તારા જે ડ્રીમ્સ હોય, આશિત માટે, નિવાન, ઝેવિયાન માટે બધા ફૂલફિલ થાય, તારા પોતાના માટેના જે તારા પ્લાન્સ હોય પૂરા થાય. અને આ પેન્ડેમિક જેવી સિચ્યુએશનમાં આપણે જ્યારે હમણાં બહુ ડિફિકલ્ટ ટાઈમ્સમાં પાસ થઈએ છીએ, આઈ જસ્ટ પ્રે ફોર યોર હેલ્ધીનેસ, યોર વેલ્ધીનેસ, પ્રોસ્પરિટી, અને તને બધું જ મળે જે તું ડિઝર્વ કરતી હોય. સો વન્સ અગેન અ વેરી હેપી બર્થડે એન્ડ એન્જોય ધ રેસ્ટ ઓફ યોર ડે. થેન્ક યુ.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Bhumika.
Happy birthday.
Hi Bhumika. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
યાર તમને લોકોને બહુ યાદ કરીએ છીએ. બહુ ટાઈમથી આપણે બધા મળ્યા નથી. હવે કોરોના જલ્દી જાય અને બધું ક્લિયર થાય, તમે લોકો ફ્લાય કરી શકો, અમે લોકો ફ્લાય કરી શકીએ અને ક્યાંક કોઈ સારી ડેસ્ટિનેશન પર આપણે બધા ભેગા થઈએ અને બહુ જ બધી મજા કરીએ, જે આપણે દર વર્ષે કરતા આવીએ છીએ. બસ એવી મારી ઈચ્છા છે.
અને જલ્દી મળીએ આપણે.
યસ, અને મસ્ત બર્થડે ઉજવજો અને બધા સરસ ફોટોઝ લેજો પાયલની જેમ. સારા મેકઅપ કરજે બરાબર પાયલની જેમ.
Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhumika. Happy birthday to you, my love.
Bye. Have an amazing day.
Hi Mama. Today is your birthday and a very happy returns of the day. And so you are the best mama ever and very best. I love you so much. Bye. And mainly in between you and Papa, I will choose you until Papa comes at 6 o'clock. I'll choose him. Bye from me and Zevan.
Zevan, happy birthday guys, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Zen, बार दिन हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू सिंग करिस प्लीज.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Savior.
No, dear Mama. Okay, Zevan again. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Bol. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. And Mama. Happy birthday to you. Bye MG. Bye Papa MG. Bye Mama. Happy birthday Kaki. Have a good day and look what I made for you from your name, Bhumika. Happy birthday. B stands for brilliant Kaki. H stands for healthy Kaki. U stands for undoubtedly best Kaki. M stands for my must Kaki. I stands for immensely cool Kaki. K stands for kind-hearted Kaki. And A stands for always happy Kaki. You're the best Kaki in the world, Kaki. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhumika boy. Happy birthday to you. Love you. Happy birthday, Bhumika boy from Flippy.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhumika. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Happy birthday, Bhumika.
Many return of the day, beta Bhumika. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bhumika बेटा. कीर्तिवान को. Happy birthday, Bhumika दीदी. केम छो? Happy birthday, many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Bhumika Ben.
Very happy birthday to you, Bhumika Didi. Happy birthday, Bhumika. Stay blessed.
And have a great year ahead.
Bye.
Hey, hi Jadu. That's what I call you. Many happy returns of the day. Almost 23 years that we have been friends. The day I entered Zenith in the 6th standard and you stood by me, you became my friend. You gave me support right from our Bharatnatyam days till now. We talk about everything, lots and lots of memories, spirit की राइड स्कूटी पे ट्यूशन जाना, देन साइकिलिंग पे जाना एंड सभी क्लासेस, हमारे एनुअल फंक्शंस, हमारे डांस के रिहर्सल्स. वी हैव बीन विथ ईच अदर सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम. I really enjoyed and I'm blessed that you are my friend. You have been a wonderful daughter, a wonderful sister, a best friend, a wonderful daughter-in-law, wonderful mother, wonderful wife, because you are a wonderful human being. And I don't think anyone would deny this fact, how beautiful a person you are. So today I would like to wish you lots and lots of happiness, a healthy and fulfilled life in years to come. अभी मेरे पास वर्ड्स ही नहीं आ रहे, मैं क्या बोलूँ क्या नहीं, बट स्टिल आई वुड विश द बेस्ट फॉर यू. अभी मैसेज देख के सेंटी मत हो जाना, एटलीस्ट बर्थडे के दिन. आई नो यू दैट मच कि तू मैसेजेस देख के पक्का सेंटी होने वाली है, लेकिन आज के दिन नहीं. सो वंस अगेन अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे. Lots and lots of love to you.
Hi Bhumika, I'm wishing you on your birthday because I still cherish all the beautiful memories which we have shared together, whether it would be our childhood, our college. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being with me all the time whenever I was needed. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful birthday. Love you. Take care.
Hi Bhumika, wishing you a very very happy birthday from me and everyone else in Leicester.
Hi, wish you a very very happy wala birthday Bhunu. Have a healthy and happy life. Love you. Take care.
Happy birthday Bhumika Didi.
Wish you a very happy birthday Bhuma. Have a lovely day. Enjoy your day. I can't wait to see you again and we'll celebrate big time.
Hi Bhumi, wish you a very very happy birthday. I really don't know where to start, but one thing I know is words will always fall short in expressing, my love for you and what you mean to me, Bhumi. You're really one of the purest soul and one of the bestest human I have ever met in my life. So please stay as you are, which is very close to perfect. I do mean this. And thank you for being such a lovely and sweet friend to me, and being like an elder sister to me at times, listening to me, my all the small worries, and passing all your positivity to me. That this all means a lot to me, Bhuma. And anyway, I think the good idea would be to come to you and wish you in person now that I have the privilege of being your neighbor. Anyway, wish you a very happy birthday once again, Bhumi. And so sorry, couldn't make the video. I'm not very good with this video stuff. Sorry. Thank you. Bye.
जय श्री कृष्ण. हैप्पी बर्थडे भूमिका. मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. गॉड ब्लेस यू. खुश रहो તું ને આશિષ, તારા બાળકો હંમેશા ખુશ રહો. તારી બધી ઈચ્છાઓ.
Happy birthday, Bhumika. I really appreciate your friendship and true caring nature with Forum. I must say that you are the only person with whom Forum eats complete meal. Rotli, dal, bhat, shak, banduj, that only you can do. So I truly appreciate and really see your engagement and support to Forum. Keep it up. A very happy birthday again, and God bless you. You have all the happiness, success, and
Happy Wala birthday, Bhumika. Wishing you very happy birthday to my dearest friend and my sister. I still remember that day when we met in 2016 at Byron Court School. આપણી ફ્રેન્ડશિપની શરૂઆત એ દિવસથી થઈ હતી. We both were passionate about dance. We both wanted to do something and we started our own dance academy. And you always supported me. You are so caring. You are so loving, supporting and understanding person. We struggled a lot in our dance field. We started from Chalk Hill, then Patidar and then at last BIA. We did lots of dance shows together. હું નવી હતી લંડનમાં અને એ ટાઈમે મને કંઈ જ ખબર નથી પડતી and you supported me that time when I needed you the most. And you were always there for me and you always supported me. We started with 1 and 2 students and we reached to 60 students. It's all our hard work together. So we did lots of masti and fun in the class. I always miss your tea in the class. That was the only time we spent with each other. બહુ મસ્તી કરતા, બહુ મજા કરતા, મિમિક્રી કરતા, dance practice. Always when I do the choreography, you always give me the advice, Forum, do this, do this. And you always supported me. You always inspired me, motivated me in my dance field or any of my talent. I'm really glad and lucky to have you in my life. There is one song for you which I wanted to sing. मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है कभी दूर तू न जाए, तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिन कभी ना आए, तेरे संग जीना यहाँ, तेरे संग मर जाना, याद करेगी दुनिया, तेरा मेरा अफसाना, याद करेगी दुनिया, तेरा मेरा याराना. Wishing you very happy birthday again, Bhumika. तुम जियो हजारों साल, हम रहे तुम्हारे साथ, यही दुआ है.
Happiest birthday, Bhumi. Wishing you a lovely year ahead.
Happy birthday, Bhumi. Have a nice day. You enjoy your day. Okay.
Hi, Bhumika. Happy birthday. Wish you a wonderful day and year filled with love, joy, laughter, success, and good health. God bless. Enjoy your
Happy birthday, Bhumika auntie. Many, many happy returns of the day. I would like to sing a song for you. साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Bhumika auntie. I wish you many, many happy returns.
Happy birthday, Bhumika Didi.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Here's a birthday wish for you. Happy birthday, we'll make your wish come